Welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. I'm the keeper of the home here at 4D Farms, where we are all about faith, family, home, and farm. I hope you find something on our channel that will encourage you and inspire you on your journey. Be sure to give us a thumbs up, hit like and subscribe, and be sure to turn that little notifications bell on so you'll get notified every time a brand new video is uploaded. We hope to see you in each and every one. Thanks for watching. Hey y'all, welcome to today's video of Hey Jima, what's for supper? Guess what? I'll tell you what's for supper in a minute, but guess what? We are back home, y'all. I am so thankful that work trip was over. I am so glad to be back home, which means one thing. Our first meal, y'all, I get to shop my pantries instead of meal planning and going to a grocery store going to buy groceries. Tonight's meal is easy peasy, y'all, and I'll tell you how we got it, and I'll tell you what we're going to do, and I'll give you little snippets. But y'all, my name is Tracy. If you are just now seeing this video and you have no clue who I am, welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. I'm the keeper of the home here at 4D Farms. Welcome to our channel. I'm in a series right now of just making some meals, and we're calling it, Hey G-Ma, what's for supper? Have you ever seen Hee Haw? And then he's on there and they're like, hey Grandpa, what's for supper? Now you see memories coming back to you. Okay, I'm just doing a little series on some meals that I'm cooking. But tonight's video, we're back home. Okay, so I get to shop my pantries tonight, y'all. So I'm going to tell y'all how easy this meal is. I got the easy part. Now, my husband's worked harder than me today because I'll tell you, he was responsible for the meat. So, y'all, we bought a hog. Not to raise, okay? We bought a hog from a man who owns a farm locally, and he raises hogs and he sells them. We take it to the butcher. We tell them what kind of meats and how we want it cut. Hams, pork chops, sausage, all that good stuff, tenderloin, okay? We tell them how we want it done. They do the processing, they do the packaging, we go pick it up, we pay for it. We got a hog in the freezer, okay? So what he did was, we got a ham out, and he soaked it in a brine, a curing brine, for 7 days. We kept it iced, and we kept it cold in a room, and wrapped insulation around it and covered it up with a towel so that way it would stay cold. And we checked on it every day. Okay, so then today it was time to smoke it. So he has been smoking it all day long, and I'll show you our grill in just a minute, and I need to find out the internal temperature. If I forget that, I'll try to find it. But today's smoking day, so he's been smoking the ham all day in our Pit Boss grill, Pit Boss smoker. I'll get him to tell me in just a minute his glaze he's going to put on it. But y'all, I got the easy part, okay? For those of y'all that are just now tuning in and you don't know anything about our channel or what we do here, y'all, we grow a garden, we harvest our food, I can it, or it goes in the freezer. So I have a whole canning and preserving playlist. We have a gardening playlist. My husband has a playlist. I've put his videos in a playlist of him processing a lot of our meats, where we get them from, how he processes them, what he turns them into. Guys, y'all need to check out his playlist, okay? He loves doing the meats. I do the sides, okay? Y'all, we hunt, so that means we include deer meat, venison in our menus, okay? He processes a lot of our deer meat, okay? And he makes things with them. Y'all go check out his playlist, okay? That's our canning and preserving playlist. Our gardening playlist, if you're interested in wanting to put in a garden, and then you want to learn how to preserve all these things that you grow. And then, guys, his playlist of a lot of times where we get our meats from. We hunt. We just bought a hog. We raise cows. They're going to go in the freezer. We wait for sales. Y'all, if there's some things that we can't grow, we will go to the grocery store when they run huge sales and we will stock up. That's how I do some more canning. I supplement some more canning with things that I can't grow. I just can't get them to grow out here, okay, in our soil. Carrots. I cannot grow a carrot to save my life. I don't know, so when they go on sale, I will go stock up on a bunch and a bunch, and I'll can them, okay, or I'll freeze them. So if we either can it or it goes in our freezer. I have a freezer tour and I have a pantry tour where I take you and I don't just show you what's in our pantry, but I give you meal ideas of how to use those canned goods to where you're not eating the same food the same way all the time and you get bored. Okay, I give y'all plenty of meal ideas and I even show you some clips and pictures of meals that I have made and how I put that meal together with that canned good. Y'all need to go check them out, okay? I do the same thing with their meats, okay? My husband takes care of the meats. We will either buy from a farmer, have it butchered, or we will go to the grocery store like chickens. We don't have a chicken farmer around here anywhere that butchers, not that I know of. So we wait for chicken to go on sale, okay? I even tell y'all and give y'all some recipe ideas of the things that's in our freezer, okay? So y'all go check those out. That's for the newbies that's just now checking us out. Y'all may not know what our channel's about. So this is what we do. Like I said in our introduction, we're all about faith, family, home, and farm. That's what we're about, okay? So he's going to the smoker, checking on the ham. I am fixing to get these rolling. Y'all, I've got a jar of home canned green beans. I've got a jar of home canned baby carrots. And I have a jar of home canned pinto beans. Did I say pinto beans? Pinto beans, green beans, and baby carrots. The pinto beans and the green beans, I'm just going to open up the jar, put them in a casserole dish, heat them up in the microwave. The baby carrots, I'm going to put in a saucepan with some brown sugar and butter and turn them into glazed carrots. My husband loves glazed baby carrots. So that's going to be supper tonight, y'all. And then I will get him to share his glaze with me, the ingredients in his glaze, and then I will just show y'all. I'm going to whip up some cornbread. So when we get everything together, I'll show y'all what it looks like. So welcome to new people, new viewers. Hi. Y'all just hang in there. We'll show you tonight's supper and y'all can just join in with us. This is the smoked ham. How many days did you cure it? 7 days curing. Smoked all day. We've already tasted it. Yummy. What was your glaze made of? Brown sugar. Strawberry jalapeno jelly. Molasses. Apple cider vinegar. I also wanted to show y'all our Pit Boss smoker. It is a Pit Boss Pro Series. Comes with its own cover. Of course, we've got it over here. This is my husband's favorite smoker. It uses pellets, y'all. It is digitized. Okay? And he has his meat thermometers and all such as that. We have it on our porch. It has trays. Let me see if I can get this open. Yes. Trays. Okay, your pellets are down in there. My husband knows more about this thing than I do, y'all. But he loves using his smoker. He actually, I think, did the deer bacon in it. And some of our sausage, I believe. Y'all can go watch his videos on our meat processing playlist where he does all the meats. And I will put this in the description box below, the link to it. No, this is not a paid promotion. They did not send this to us to review. We have had this for a while. I just thought y'all might like it. So I'll put the link in the description box below. Pinto beans. Glazed baby carrots. Ooh, that's hot. Ah! That iron skillet's hot. Green beans, smoked ham, chicken tenders just in case, and cornbread. Tonight's meal.